Guys, welcome to Solve YouTube channel. If this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe. Today, we bring to you a nice earning app called Playfinity.games. In other way around, you can call it a solo game. What's the review about this? Play games, win prizes, and cash out. Win games and cash out today. Log into your account and withdraw cash now. Minimal withdrawal $10. Play your favorite games and cash out today. What's the frequently asked question? Let's go to frequently asked question so that we can move to the main program. Is solo games legal? Another one is who is eligible to play? How to withdraw from solo game? Am I playing against opponents with the solo game? First, let's go to who is solo game legal? Yes, solo game isn't considered gambling as the outcome of a game are based on skill of the players rather than luck or chance. In compliance with uh, applicable law and regulations, some functionality of solo games may be limited based on geographical location. Please refer to who is eligible to play. Now, let's move to the second one here. Who is eligible to play? Click on the plus. Yes, solo game is only available to players over 18 years old and in location where skill-based real money prizes gaming is allowed. At this time, solo game does not permit players to access or play the real game version of the game from the following jurisdiction. Uh, I beg your pardon, country level: Afghanistan, Belarus, Belgium, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Congo, Democratic Republic, Cote d'Ivoire, Croatia, local name, Vatska, Cuba, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Egypt, Estonia, France, French, Guiana, French Polynesia, French Southern Territories, rather, I beg your pardon, Greece, Hungary, Indonesia, Iran, Islamic Republic of Iraq, Italy, Japan, Kosovo, Latvia, Lithuania, Malaysia, Malta, Montenegro, Myanmar, Nigeria, North Korea, North Macedonia, Pakistan People Republic of China, Poland, Portugal, and many others written here. Who is eligible to play? You've seen the country there. The main country there, we are in Nigeria. We've seen our country that we are eligible to play. Nigeria, North Korea, North Macedonia, Pakistan, Republic of China, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Russia, Russian Federation, Serbia, Slovakia Republic, Slovenia, Sudan, Syria, Arab Republic, Turkey, Ukraine, Vietnam, Yugoslavia, Zimbabwe, state level India, Atna, Pesda, Arunachal Pradesh, Kerish, Nagaland, Odisha, Kishkim, Tamil Nadu, Dakota. Additionally, players located in Indiana and may not play solitaire or other games that involve a shuttle deck of cards for real money prizes. Nevertheless, players in listed location may still play the games for fun. Wow. So when you want to review a game, okay, just go to the frequently asked question. Let's go to the next thing. Very, very important. Don't miss out. We click here. How to withdraw from solo game. Okay, you know the mother body is called Playfinity.game. Then solo game is a sub body or Playfinity.game. Okay, said how to withdraw from solo game. To request withdrawal, please head to our official website www Playfinity.games and sign in to your account. As I said before, Solo Games is a subordinate or subbody of Playfinity.com. Okay. The next question is, am I playing against opponents with the same skill level as myself? Let's read it. Solo Games celebrates fair competition and is working to ensure it can thrive in a digital world. They proprietary solo game players matching technology ensure fairness by matching every player based on their level of skill. So beginners only play beginners and experts only play experts. That's how it is. So it's something that really favors. So there's no two big ways about it, okay? So don't just worry yourself, okay? Sorry about this. Sorry about this. I'll get back to you shortly. Let me end this call. It's just distracting. Okay. Sorry about that. What is there is solo game is a very nice game. What you need to do first, you go to Play Store. When you click on Play Store, it will take you to solo game. You install. You wait for it to come. You're installing it. It's installing. Just calm down. Make sure your network is good. Just hold on. It's coming. 118 megabytes. 118 megabytes. Make sure your network is good so that you can get the game downloaded successfully. Wait patiently. Let's see how it will go. Exercise patience. Please don't forget to share this video, like this video, and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If this is the first time, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Select all so that you'll be receiving all our notification every day. Okay? We are waiting is 73%, 74. We are waiting 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 81. Just be patient. 83. Just be patient. 84. Just be patient. 85. Just be patient. 87. 92. Wanna hit 100 immediately. 94. Can we see 100? Can we see 100? Come on. What's wrong with my network? Come on, guys. Hello. 100. So the solo game is in. We are here to make cool money alone. Okay? Remember, we are still at the platform. We don't end or exit from the platform, okay? We are just clicking Play Store from the platform, Playfinity.game. Then clicking Play Store, it will take you to solo game where you can install solo game. After that, the next thing you do is to click cash out after playing some games. Okay, so we click on play game. You know, other apps will be showing opening, but this one just show play game. Here we go. Sharp. So don't just bother yourself. The game is opening. Don't skip this video. Follow it step by step so that you can understand. Solo game. Wow. Continue with Facebook. No. I don't want to continue with my Facebook official page. No, no, no. I want to continue with Google. Google is what I want to continue with. Said solo game. Welcome to ultimate platform for competitive mobile games with an exclamation mark. Okay, solo game with a crown. Okay, this is very nice. What we need to do is to click on continue with Google. logging in, logging in, logging in, logging in, loading, 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 loading. It's loading. Just be patient. It's loading. You know the patience dog. The patient dog hit the fattest what? Bone. So just be patient so that you will see this. It's not like get pay to play, okay? I know this is very frustrating, but this one is for real. Okay, click continue with Google. Okay, I choose my official account. I continue with Google. Okay, just be patient. You know, I've choose one of my accounts. It's loading. Okay. Wow. Wow. This referral code is optional, but don't worry. I'll give you mine. 100%. Here we go. Total reward this month. Wow, wow, wow. Only $0.1. That is 10 cents for me to claim. I claim it. Congratulations. I take it. Once you take it, I have claimed it. Sorry about this, but I need to claim it sharp. Claim this. Okay. These are the games available to play. Okay. Bubble shooter. Okay. Let me play this bubble shooter. New Bay. This one they say $5. Let me play. Oh, $9. Let me play the $18. Let me play the one of 18. Insufficient fund. Okay. Let me go again. Say New Bay. Okay. Let me play you versus the speaker. He's also a beginner. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Wow. Wow. I need to try again. Once more. Remember, you're not paying any amount of money here. Okay, you say okay. Okay. Since we've played that, now we return back. I got just 50 cents here. Let's minimize to, if you look up here, if you look up here, you see successful $15, successful tunnel frame, you see $52. This is for real. Okay, you just minimize from here. What you need to do next is to click cash out. When you click cash out, you use that same login. Use that same login of that your email here. You fill your PayPal information. When you click that cash out, you wait for it to load. I mean here, cash out. You see loading. You say continue with Google. It will see pop up that your same email. You see click that your email. Okay, that my email is not here. Is not here. Is not here. Is not here. So I need to log into the email. Say no thanks. The numbers of email that I'm using here. Oh my goodness. But you log in. Sorry about this. You log in with the same email. Okay, you log in with the same email you use to sign in from the solo games. Okay, use that same email. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment on this video. This is for real. Okay, bye bye. Any question, drop on the comment section. Take care.